Do you often find yourself overthinking? Overthinking, it's like a hamster wheel in your mind, spinning endlessly and leading to unnecessary stress and anxiety. But what if you could step off that wheel? What if you could reprogram your brain to stop this habit? Today, we'll explore 10 effective ways to do just that, methods that are not only scientifically proven but also actionable right this moment. Ready to rewire your brain and leave overthinking behind? Here are 10 ways to start today. First up, practice mindfulness. You may ask, what is mindfulness? Simply put, mindfulness is the act of being fully present, engaged in the moment, and not overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on around us. It's about tuning the dial of your mind to now and soaking in the beauty of the present moment. Mindfulness can be an effective tool in reducing overthinking. It allows us to observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment, and this can help break the cycle of ruminating on past events or worrying about the future. The benefits of mindfulness are manifold. It can decrease stress, enhance emotional well-being, and improve focus, among other things. You can incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine through simple steps like mindful eating, mindful walking, or even mindful breathing. Take a moment each day to simply be present. Observe the world around you, the sensations within you, without judgment or rush. Remember, mindfulness is not about perfection, but about awareness. Secondly, limit your decision-making time. Overthinking often rears its head when we allow ourselves too much time to make decisions. The more time we have, the more variables we consider, the more scenarios we envision, and before we know it, we're caught in a loop of analysis paralysis. This is where setting a time limit for decision-making comes into play. Whether it's deciding what to wear, what to eat, or making more significant choices, give yourself a set amount of time to decide. For smaller decisions, a few minutes should suffice. For larger decisions, perhaps a few hours or even a day. This practice encourages you to trust your instincts, your gut feelings. It's about learning to make decisions efficiently, effectively, and with confidence. Remember, not every decision needs exhaustive analysis. By limiting your decision-making time, you can prevent your mind from spiraling into overthinking. Thirdly, challenge your thoughts. Ever been trapped in a whirlwind of negative thoughts, only to realize they're just that? Thoughts, not facts? Well, here's a tip. Challenge them. That's right. Question your thoughts as if they were standing on trial. Let's take an example. Say you're thinking, I'm not good enough. Now, hold that thought and ask yourself, based on what? Who says? What evidence supports this? By doing this, you're breaking apart the thought, examining its validity. Or let's say you're thinking, I always mess up. Again, challenge it, always. Every single time. Isn't there a time when I did well? More often than not, you'll find that your thoughts are exaggerations, not absolute truths. Challenging your thoughts is like being a detective, sifting through facts and discarding falsehoods. It's an exercise in critical thinking and a powerful tool against overthinking. Remember, your thoughts are not always facts. Scene script. Fourthly, practice positive affirmations. Dive into the magical realm of self-talk. Positive affirmations are potent, transformative tools that can rewire your brain and help you combat overthinking. By merely repeating uplifting, affirming phrases to yourself, you can shift your mindset from negative to positive, from doubtful to confident. Imagine standing before a mirror, looking into your own eyes and repeating, I am capable, I am strong, I am more than my thoughts. Feel the power of these words as they seep into your consciousness, replacing your doubts and fears. Or perhaps as you start your day, affirm, today will be a great day, I am in control of my thoughts. These simple yet powerful words can set the tone for your day, steering clear of the tumultuous sea of overthinking. You could also affirm, I am at peace with my past. I am excited about my future. This mantra can help you let go of past regrets and future anxieties. Remember, what you tell yourself matters. Fifthly, get moving. We're all aware of the physical benefits of exercise, but did you know it's a powerful antidote to overthinking too? Physical activity engages the body and distracts the mind, giving it a break from incessant thinking. It triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters, promoting feelings of happiness and reducing stress. You don't have to run a marathon or climb a mountain, though. Simple exercises like walking, jogging, cycling, or even dancing can do wonders. Yoga and Tai Chi, with their emphasis on mindful movement, are especially effective. They combine physical activity with a focus on the present moment, making them double whammy against overthinking. Even a quick 5-minute stretch or a brisk walk during your lunch break can make a difference. The key is to make it a regular part of your routine. So, get up and get moving to keep overthinking at bay. Sixthly, practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful practice that can shift our focus from what's wrong in our lives to what's right. It's like a flashlight in the dark, guiding us away from the shadows of negative thinking and towards the light of positivity. How can you incorporate gratitude into your daily life? It's simple. Start your day with a gratitude journal, jotting down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as a good night's sleep, a delicious breakfast, or the smile of a loved one. You can also end your day with a gratitude reflection, thinking back on the positive moments that occurred, no matter how small they might seem. This practice of recognizing the good in your life can help quiet the overthinking mind, shifting your focus from worry to appreciation. Remember, a grateful mind is a peaceful mind. Seventhly, stay in the present. It's easy to get lost in the past, ruminating over what could have been, or in the future, worrying about what might be. But overthinking is a trap that keeps you from experiencing life as it unfolds. The present moment, this very instant, is where life truly happens. It's where joy, love, creativity, and all the best parts of being human exist. So how do you stay grounded in the present? Start by focusing on your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Notice the sensations around you, the warmth of the sun, the coolness of the breeze, the softness of the ground beneath your feet. When thoughts of the past or future try to sneak in, gently bring your focus back to your breath, back to the present. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to stay in the here and now. Remember, the present moment is where life happens. Eighthly, seek professional help if needed. There's a common misconception that seeking help is a sign of weakness. This couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, it's a step towards wellness, a testament to your strength and desire to take control of your thoughts. Therapists and counselors are trained professionals who can provide effective strategies to combat overthinking. They offer a safe space to express your thoughts and feelings, and they can guide you towards understanding the root of your overthinking habits. They can introduce you to cognitive behavioral techniques that help you challenge negative thought patterns and replace them with healthier ones. So, if you find yourself stuck in a cycle of overthinking and it's beginning to affect your daily life, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional. It's not about being unable to handle your problems, it's about equipping yourself with the right tools to overcome them. Remember, it's okay to ask for help, to ask. Ninthly, practice self-care. This is not just about pampering yourself, but about maintaining your mental health. Overthinking often stems from stress, anxiety, or depression. By taking care of your mental health, you can effectively reduce overthinking. Self-care comes in many forms. It could be as simple as taking a walk in the park, reading a book, or listening to your favorite music. It could also be about setting healthy boundaries, saying no when necessary, and taking time to rest and recharge. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. It can do wonders for your mental health. And remember, it's okay to take a break. It's okay to relax. It's okay to do things that make you happy. Incorporate these self-care activities into your daily routine. Make it a habit, make it a priority. Because you, your health, your well-being, they all matter. Remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish. It's necessary. Finally, surround yourself with positive people. Just as a garden is influenced by the quality of its surroundings, so too is the mind. Being around positive, uplifting individuals can greatly influence your mindset, helping to curb the tendency to overthink. These individuals radiate optimism, inspiring you to view challenges as opportunities rather than obstacles. Consider this. If you're surrounded by people who constantly worry, it's easy to absorb that energy. Conversely, if you're in the company of those who radiate positivity, their energy can be infectious, encouraging a more optimistic outlook. Cultivating positive relationships doesn't happen overnight. It requires effort and intention. Start by engaging in activities that you love, as they're likely to attract like-minded individuals. Join clubs, participate in community events, volunteer. These are all wonderful ways to meet positive individuals. Remember, you are the average of the people you spend the most time with, so choose wisely and choose positivity. So, there you have it. We've journeyed through 10 transformative ways to halt overthinking in its tracks, from embracing mindfulness, curtailing decision-making time, challenging your thoughts, to affirming positivity. We've also explored the power of movement, the art of gratitude, the gift of the present moment, seeking professional guidance, and the importance of self-care. Lastly, we've discovered the impact of surrounding oneself with positivity. Start implementing these strategies today and free your mind from the trap of overthinking. Remember, a peaceful mind is a happy mind.